Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with a domain. First, you need to register your domain name. This is your website's address, like example.com. Choose something memorable and relevant to your brand or purpose. You can register it through a domain registrar, and it typically costs around $10 to $20 per year. This initial step is crucial for establishing your online identity. Next, you'll need web hosting. Think of hosting as the home for your website's files on the internet, making it accessible to everyone. Many providers offer various plans, with shared hosting often starting at just a few dollars per month. Look for a host that guarantees high uptime, ensuring your site is always accessible, and provides excellent customer support for any questions you might have during your journey. Now it's time to build your actual website. The easiest method involves using a website builder or a content management system like WordPress. These platforms offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, making design simple even for beginners. You can choose from hundreds of professional, customizable templates to give your site a polished look without needing any coding knowledge. Finally, you'll connect your domain to your hosting and launch your site. This involves updating your domain's DNS settings to point to your web host. Your hosting provider will give you clear instructions for this step. Once connected, thoroughly test your website on various devices and browsers to ensure everything works perfectly before you proudly announce your new online presence to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.